When AMD launched the AM5 platform, they promised long-term support. At the time, it didn't sound too convincing. We all know how that actually goes. A couple of generations, then a new board, new socket, and so on. The usual story. But now, for the first time, we have confirmation that the Zen 7 processors will also work on AM5. We are talking about a chip coming in a few years, using an entirely new manufacturing process and bringing up to 32 cores. This is no longer a maybe. And it's not a rumor from some forum, it's written in black and white AM5 socket. DDR5 stays too, but with upgraded controllers and probably V-cache to help where needed. In this video, we are not going to overhype. We walk through what we actually know, what it means for users, and why this is a big deal, even if it feels really quiet. Most earlier information suggests that Zen 7 would launch on AM6. That made sense, new architecture, new socket, standard next-gen cycle, but then came confirmation. And not the source say kind, but actual documentation. Zen 7 desktop is going to AM5. The decision was made fairly recently, but now there's no doubt. AMD made a similar pivot with Zen 3. They had original plan for a new socket, but realized they could make it work on AM4. And users really appreciate that. This time it's even bigger move. We are talking about generation likely arriving in 2028, which means AM5 is going to last longer than anyone expected, even longer than AM4, which already set a high standard. Zen 7 brings a major leap, a 32-core model in the plan. That's double than current Ryzen 7 and 9000 series, and all that without moving to some high-end desktop platform. We're staying with the same desktop socket using two 16-core CCDs, and if you're building a workstation or love multitasking, this could replace a mini server. CPUs will be built on TSMC A14 node, AMD's most advanced desktop process. That means better efficiency, lower power draw, and more headroom for boosting. And most importantly, this is coming to users who already own an AM5 motherboard. If you're on AM5 now, you could theoretically be ready for Zen 7. No need to swap your board or change platforms. When a 32-core Zen 7 was mentioned for AM5, a fair question popped up. Is DDR5 fast enough to handle that? Many started speculating about bandwidth bottlenecks, but this isn't the first time we have heard that. With Zen 4, people had similar concerns. In practice, performance barely improved beyond DDR5 6000 megatransfer per second. Zen 4 handled itself just fine. By 2028, DDR5 will be significantly faster. Models running at 800 or even 10,000 megatransfer per second could become the norm. That means memory bandwidth will grow alongside core counts. And AMD has another ace, V-cache. If needed, they can offer models with extra cache to easy pressure on memory. That's not a theory, they are already doing it today. And what about DDR6? It sounds great, but it's not realistic for desktop, not yet. It's expensive, niche, and demands new architecture. AMD may use it for servers, but for regular users, DDR5 is more than enough for years to come. AM4 lasted over 5 years, supporting 4 CPU generation and became a symbol of longevity. Many hoped AM5 would follow suit, but it's now clear it's going further. Support for Zen 7 means AM5 will be lived through at least 3 major generations: Zen 4, Zen 5, and Zen 7. Zen 6 seems server-oriented, but desktop users are getting a longer life cycle. For those investing in hardware, this is a real advantage. Buying a good board today isn't a short-term move, it could still be relevant in 2028, which is rare in the PC world. It also means fewer upgrade costs. If you already have AM5 system, chances are you will be able to drop a new CPU without overhauling your entire build. That's a real value. So if you have been wondering whether to jump into AM5 or wait for AM6, maybe this is your answer. AM6 will come, of course, but AM5 is far from done. In fact, it's just getting started. What do you think? Does AM5 seems like a solid choice now, or are you still holding out for something new? Decision to keep Zen 7 on AM5 isn't just a technical one. It reveals a lot about how AMD is currently playing the game, and game where the user finally gets some stability. Instead of usual new CPU, new socket, AMD is clearly trying to offer longer support, and it's not just marketing. This is backed up by actual documentation now. That kind of move sends a message. If you invest in the AMD system right now, you don't need to panic about switching everything right away. And that builds trust in the brand. Intel, on the other hand, changes socket almost every other generation. While they make strong chips, many users are tired of always needing a new board and new RAM. AMD seems to be using that market fatigue to its advantage. They are not rushing out half-baked releases but refining what they already have, and that's starting to pay off. Let's be honest, in a time when tech moves fast but prices don't drop, stability feels like a premium feature, and AMD for now seems to be delivering just that. Zen 7 is coming. It will be powerful, new, and bring 32 cores to desktop, but the most interesting part is where it's coming, AM5. That means anyone already on this platform or considering the switch can look ahead with a bit more peace of mind, and that's rare in the world of PC hardware. There's no need to replace everything, no need to wait for the new socket, at least not yet, and if you're building a system or planning an upgrade, AM5 is no longer a leap of faith. Sure, a lot can change before 2028, but for the first time in a long time, we have reason to believe that one desktop platform won't vanish after just 2 generations. And honestly, that's worth more than another 1% IPC uplift or 200 extra megahertz. Because peace of mind when buying into a platform, that's a priceless. Does AMD feel like the more stable choice to you right now, or is it all just marketing talk? If you found this helpful, feel free to hit subscribe. If not, no worries. Thanks for watching and see you soon.